This is a Hoover Turbopower. Very Hoover Turbopower-ish indeed. But it is a slightly rarer one. Rare in that it is a bottom of the line. We have blanking plates absolutely everywhere on it, including no bottom. I don't do a bottom quarter. I don't think it should have one of those. This is a Bitzer machine. Why am I lying to you in the introduction? This is a Bitzer machine made up by Mr. James to be just like one that he used to have. I think it's the grey handle. Let's have a look at what I have agreed to refurbish. Oh my goodness. Yes, hello my vacuum cleaner chums, how are you today? This thing has been to Duckworth's Electrical in Blackburn. I say this thing, it could literally just be this handle. Oh, I can't remember what the backstory is to this. Mr. James does try and have at least some sort of mental justification in his head for doing stuff like this. But yeah, this is, it says, it is a Hoover Turbopower model U2724 from July 1991. And yes, this would have been one of those machines that was like this. I cannot tell you for now, see if I can get it sorted by the edit, what the model number means. But grey handle, blanked off back door, this style of writing would have all been something that Mr. James remembers from a far away ago land, just like most collectors of old stuff. And he's botched this together out of various smashed parts. I can already see that those blanking plugs there are not the same shade of red as the rest of it. It's almost a pink. It is quite nice. So we're going to ignore the fact that this has literally been cobbled together in a way that would make even me blush and see what we can do about it. And we'll start by opening up the inside, where we find, actually, a very nice Home Spares H18 bag. Very good indeed. Then the bag slide and the obligatory sticker, which normally goes right there, that you can see the remains, which has fallen off as they all do, telling you to use only genuine H4 bags. Look, oh no, it's going to invalidate any warranty cover. Well, it's okay, Mr. Hoover, because had you survived the great vacuum wars of the early and mid-90s, you would have hopefully cracked on with these yourself, and these wouldn't have the horrific reputation which you can see. Bless them. Ugh. Let's put this bag back on before we forget, which looks like somebody already has once in the past. Ugh. Do like turbo powers, but crikey me, you do have to mod them a bit for them to be any good at all. Ugh. Let us recline and flip, where we can see, hey, very nice indeed. Minimal wear everywhere. Very nice brush roll. Even seems to be a belt. So I guess should we turn it on and see if Mr. James sent me something that's blown up or not. Before we go any further, it is time to take a look at the plug, mainly because it's doing that, and you know I don't like plugs doing that. What we have here is a Clydesdale plug. I thought they were a bank. They must have done some sort of branched out into electricity supply at some point, but that's a pretty cool plug. I don't know. Oh yeah, it's a Legrand plug. I thought that read Legend, but it doesn't. It reads Legrand. And oh, blimey. Right, let's. Well, I don't care too much because I always chop these down and fully rewire them up to the plug, just because it looks so. It's just nicer. Ah, get on there. That'll do. You can cut it all to length. You can get rid of. Oh wow! Look. Wasn't even in the terminal. Oh, I'm going to get this done and plug it in and come back. Oh, this is a horrible angle to wire a plug at. There we go. One better fitted plug let's see what happens. So that doesn't work too badly at all, actually. That's pretty good. Main issue with it is it's just filthy. I mean, underneath here is all claggy and dusty. The bellows need a good wash, and obviously in here has seen a blow bag or 65 in its time. The belt, I do not believe, is fantastic. The agitation is not very good, and this is quite easy to make slip. So the belt is no good. But part of that is it may not even need bearings. I think it just needs a very good polish, a very good polish, and a bit of a reassembly. Perhaps a new fan case bearing. They usually need it, and it would be prudent to do it. But hey, who knows? It may not even get that. But what it will get is looking a lot nicer. So until you see this again, I shall put those bits by it as well. We shall say farewell to the odd Bitzer Hoover Turbopower. I shall try and get some research done before the after video to work out what this should have been and what special place it holds. I mean, it's weird because look, it's got sort of blanked off bits, but that is actually printed on there. It's not a sticker. It is part of the hood. It is very strange. But hey, Hoover did that back then, back when they could. They were a strange, wonderful company. But until next time, thank you very much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed, and I and Mr. James's Hoover Turbopower will see you soon. Bye bye.